Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sound with our top 5 best JBL speakers in 2024. We've meticulously researched and tested these products to bring you a comprehensive review. But here's the catch: one of these speakers has a feature that's a game changer in the audio industry. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. The JBL GO 3 JBL Speaker. Number 4. The JBL Flip 6 JBL Speaker. Number 3. The JBL PartyBox 310 JBL Speaker. Number 2. The JBL Charge 5 JBL Speaker. Number 1. The JBL Boombox 3 JBL Speaker.